You are watching Midweek News, episode 42 for September 13th, 2023. Let's get started. First up, you can now get an HDMI ISA graphics card for your vintage PC. You don't need to check your ears. Somebody actually went and modified a card known as the Gremlin graphics card and added support for HDMI. 3-day internet outage at University of Michigan last week caused by, quote, security concerns, unquote. Hopefully they will have the rest of this mess cleared up soon and things can get back to normal for faculty and students at the University of Michigan. SaveDesktop. Save your Linux desktop environment configuration settings. This utility allows you to save the current config of your Linux desktop environment, including themes, icons, wallpapers, extensions, and other settings. It supports a wide variety of desktop environments, including GNOME, XFCE, Cinnamon, Budgie, Cosmic, Pantheon, Mate, and KDE Plasma. SaveDesktop also allows sync between computers on your network. KDE Plasma 6 roadmap. Expect a release candidate in December of 2023 or January of 2024. The launch is planned for February of 2024. KSMBD will be considered stable and no longer experimental in Linux kernel version 6.6. For those not following Linux kernel development closely, KSMBD is an in-kernel SMB3 server alternative. KSMBD being included in the kernel aims at better performance and handling modern features like RDMA, support for SMB direct by leveraging kernel space code. The new NuXT 2.0, a new 8088 motherboard for your DIY PC clone. This micro ATX motherboard will set you back a pretty penny. It starts at $320. By the time you add a USB compact flash card reader, 512K RAM for VGA, 8087 math coprocessor, and 64 meg compact flash card with DOS loaded, that price jumps up to $353 before tax and shipping. I'm all for retro, but at this point, I'll stick with emulation. It's much cheaper. Linux Mint Debian Edition, dubbed Faye, is undergoing testing and ISO should be out soon. Version 6 brings the latest changes from Mint 21.2 and Debian 12 as a base. Linux Mint Debian Edition is supported for just 2 years compared to the 5-year lifespan for mainstream Mint. And that will bring us to the end of another Midweek News. This has been episode 42 for September the 13th, 2023. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.